PartWorks is a 2-year-old subsidiary of Phoenix Stamping Group, which is a 30-year-old manufacturing company headquartered in Atlanta. PartWorks was created 2 years ago in order to provide digital manufacturing services. We call ourselves an industrial concierge because we really help people or companies from end to end, from a concept through design into prototyping and manufacturing. We get leads on Sundays, we get leads in the evening. A lot of our customers are inventors who do their work when they're not doing their day job, so it's critical that our website be available, maybe not 24/7, but pretty close to it, because our customers are on our site all the time. When we were deciding which web hosting platform to start the company on, the number 1 and number 2 criteria were reliability and load time. What's been great about Liquid Web is I haven't had to worry about that. We haven't had a meaningful downtime that I can remember in almost 2 years. And it's the only web hosting service we've used because we had no need to look anywhere else. So I would highly recommend Liquid Web to anyone who's looking for a new web hosting provider. They're reliable, they're reasonably priced, and they provide excellent performance. I haven't had to think about my web hosting provider, which to me is the ultimate compliment.